everyone! Welcome back to Lina's Kitchen. Today I would like to share with you my recipe about orange cake. This recipe is very easy and tasty. I used to do it when I was 12 years old. It's my childhood recipe. And because my grandfather used to own an orange farm and trade in it, oranges are part of my childhood memories. And now I will share with you my easy and tasty recipe. Let's get started. First, grease your pan and line it up with parchment paper. Prepare some caramel and pour it on the bottom of your pan. Line up your oranges the way that you want. In a bowl with a hand mixer, mix your butter with your sugar. Mix it well until everything is well incorporated. Add your eggs one by one, and you have to mix it well between each addition. Add your orange juice and your orange zest. I did use 2 oranges. Sift your flour and add it gradually. Pour your mixture in a loaf pan and bake it for about 45 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, you have to prepare your syrup. I did prepare my syrup in the same pan that I did prepare my caramel before to get this caramel taste. I prepared my syrup with orange juice, a drop of orange blossom, water, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. I don't want my syrup to be too much sweet and sugary. Whenever you take out your cake from the oven, soak it well with your syrup. Don't forget any spot. After that, let your cake cool down for about 2 hours before taking it out from your mold. Turn your cake in a serving dish and you will see a nice and beautiful caramelized side. I decorated my cake with 2 pieces of cinnamon and 2 pieces of anise to give it more taste and smell. I hope you will try this recipe. It's very easy and tasty and you will enjoy it with your family and your friends. It's moist inside and caramelized outside. I hope you like my video and you will try my recipe. See you in the next video. Bye!